Hello students, this video regarding the NEET important topics about drug abuse, one of the important chapter in 12 CBSE biology, human health and disease. So basically the commonly used drugs which are abused drugs are opioids, cannabinoids and coca alkaloids, and these drugs obtained from flowering plants and some extracted from the fungi. Let us learn more about opioids. So students, opioids are the drugs which are going to bind to the opioid receptor in central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Some of the important points you need to remember for the NEET exam is they are commonly called as heroin, smack or diacetyl morphine. By doing acetylation, we can get this diacetyl morphine. And the characteristics of these opioids, they are white, odorless, bitter and crystalline in nature. So remember here the chemical structure of morphine, which is important to the exam. And also remember that opioid are extracted from a plant called poppy plant, and binomial nomenclature is papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum. Remember the skeletal structure and this flower diagram, which is important for MCQs. Then remember, opioids are generally taken into the body in the form of snorting or injection. They are basically the depressants. Let us move on to the next one. Next drug abused is cocaine. And remember, cocaine is extracted from or obtained from a plant called Erythroxylum coca. It is a native of South America, and this cocaine affects the one of our neurotransmitter called dopamine. And some important points remember about cocaine is they are commonly called as cocaine, coke or crack, and they are obtained from Atropa belladonna and datura, and basically they are going to cause hallucination and often misused by sports person. So this is a diagrammatic representation of datura flowering branch. In MCQs they'll give the picture, please remember. Next one is cannabinoids. Remember the skeletal structure of cannabinoid, and cannabinoids are the chemicals. They are going to interact with our cannabinoid receptor present in our brain, and cannabinoids obtained from the inflorescence of a plant called cannabis sativa. Cannabis sativa. It includes marijuana, hashish, charas and ganja. Remember the leaf structure of cannabis sativa, and it is taken by inhalation or oral ingestion. And this basically affects our cardiovascular system. And other drugs includes which are going to treat mental illness like barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, lysergic acid, LSD. And these drugs used to treat depression and insomnia, but they are also oftenly misused. And remember another effective function of morphine, it is very effective sedative and painkiller and used in surgery. Thank you.